Hi friends, this is Elaine Marie. Thank you for coming back. Well, got the sky going on. I made my water a little darker here. I did half of the side here with the greenery, and I'm going to show you because it takes a little bit more time, but I didn't want to go into step number 3. So we'll finish it up now. Get your flat, smaller brush, and then have, let me see, some dark brown, some gold color. I'm going to show you. Just dab it. And twist your wrist as you do it. Because rocks are all different sizes. Look at that. And that's what you're going to do. And then you're going to wipe that off. And you're going to come in with your brown. Okay, and you can mix some black in with your brown. So you can really make your stone like this any way that you want. Use a small flat. I've got like 2 different sizes when I worked on that. Okay, the greenery, come in with your, bristle brush or whisk brush, but bristle. Okay, and what you're going to do, because we have the black background, which is good, I have some dark green right here. There you go, and you're going to tap very lightly. And now we're going to start tapping. And friends, you can make this any way you want. Okay, you want to come out more that way, that's fine. Oh, that's really cool. I'm loving it already. And then you're going to dab that off. And then you're going to come in with like a lime green. There you go. Lightly tap. And that light, look at that on that dark. Just makes that whole thing pop. Now I'm going to bring it out a little bit more like this. Like it's coming over the concrete here with the dam. Now with this picture I did do a little, if you can see, red on the bottom here, like some red flowers, and you can still also do that. And I like to always dab a little white, okay, just on the tips. Look at that. Okay, very lightly. Oh, that looks so gorgeous. Isn't that really cool looking? I really do. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Okay, so that's what you're going to do for your greenery. And I showed you, use about 2 or 3 different size and just keep dabbing over, go dark, lighter, and whatnot. So now, take your angular brush, you're going to come in. And you're going to come in like this. You're going to do one here. I'll do one here and one here. And then we're just going to do a little dab like it's working off of the rocks, like I did with that one. And if you notice, I made my bottom a lot bluer on the bottom. Then you're going to come in with a long flat brush, okay, dab that off. Now we're going to hit some yellow, and this is the real cool part. You're going to take your white, okay, you're going to go like that, and you're going to take, and go like that. Okay, now, I think I'm going to start in the middle, lightly. Cool. Just drag it right down. Okay, make sure it hits the water. Again. And drag it down. Oh God, that's so beautiful. Really so pretty. I'm going to dab that brush off. Okay, now we're going to do it again on this side. So that's the trick. So a little thicker here. There you go. A little thicker right there because it's hitting the rock, okay? A little thicker there. And then it comes down. Okay, a little thicker. And then let's just run that straight through. Very lightly, just right there on the tip like that. And right here, a little thicker because it's hitting the edge. Whoops, make sure the camera's good right there. Very lightly, you're hitting the water. And then down here, right? Yes, we've done this before. We're going to come in. See that like that? Okay, now you're going to dry that off. Dry your brush off. Okay. And this is like a dry brush. And you're just going to come back and forth a little bit like this. Okay. Oh, wonderful. And friends, if you add anything on the top after it dries, the most important thing I want to tell you, I darkened that. Come in with a clean, wet brush, and it will blend. Get your corners, or if there's a heavier line, you can smooth it right out. Wow. I am very happy with that. And what I'm going to do now, I think I'm going to do this one right now. We're going to blend these two together, okay? And run that right across with your angular brush, okay? And twist that angular brush just like that. Take it and twist it. Take it and twist it. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, it's so beautiful. And if you want your greenery to come over this way a little bit more, that will be great. Friends, you can do this. Trust me. You saw how easy that was? And yours is going to be beautiful too. And thank you for tuning in. I had a great time. And I cannot wait for another video if you would join me. Please, thank you so much. If you have any comments, you can always leave them. Thank you. Have a great day, friends. Bye-bye.